Hello. I don't have a name yet for this or what my channel should be, but I do have a goal, and that is to make my own Master Chief costume. So I've been working on this for the better part of maybe 2 or 3 years. Alright. Now that's not consecutively, like I haven't actually been working on this thing every day. Because I'm lazy. Yeah. But as of now, I think I know where I'm going with this, alright? I made this helmet. I finished this, like, last year. And then, COVID and shit hit. And so I didn't feel motivated to make anything. But just a while ago, I made this chest piece. Okay? And you Halo fans, please don't be in my comments saying, "Oh, that's not the real Master Chief. Master Chief doesn't have this. Master Chief doesn't have that." Yeah. I know. It's because it's from an ODST costume that I had. I just added some bits to it. And then to go under that, I have this. This is a metal bodysuit that I made. If this is a hole. Yeah. I made an Iron Man suit during quarantine. I was outside for days building this thing. Not necessarily this, but like I have a full suit of metal armor. It's pretty cool. But I spray painted this black, and honestly, I tried it on with that. It looks pretty good. So I got that. Next things I got. These are just some paintball gear. I wanted something durable for my knees. I know I could make knee armor, but honestly, I wanted something to, be movable in, which I'm not so good at when it comes to making costumes. Pretty much all my costumes have some metal bit sticking into my chest, which then really, really hurts. So I wanted to at least be able to walk, which I can't do in my Iron Man costume. It looks cool in photos, though. And then with that, I have these gloves. These are just like normal paintball gloves. At least I think they're normal. I don't know. I saw them in the paintball section. These aren't actually mine. I stole these from my dad. I hope he doesn't see this. But yeah, Dad, if you see this, I got your shit. So that's what I got. Alright. I got that. And, I have like a morph suit. Just got a black bodysuit because I realized that Master Chief, he doesn't show any bit of skin. So I needed something to, kill my skin. And so I just used this. Works pretty good. But now I've reached a problem, which is why I'm bringing this to YouTube. I don't know what to do for the arms, or like any other part of the leg armor that I might make. For the helmet, I use Pepakura, alright? Which, if you don't know, it's a really cool, app you can get on your computer that takes a bunch of 3D models and lays them out so that you can build them up from cardstock, which is what I did, and you can make things like this, which I think it turned out pretty good. Alright, well, as I said earlier, I'm lazy, alright, and I don't want to have to do that, because this took me 2 years to make. Alright, 2 years. 2 years. If this thing broke, I'd probably cry, okay? And yeah, I have shot it with BB guns. I like testing out my stuff. But, anyways. That's what I'm coming to you for. What could I do to make the arm, the gauntlets, and, the upper armor so that I have full mobility and I don't have to spend my time doing shit like that. What can I do? I mean, I'll think about it a little bit more, but quite honestly, I just wanted to be here to see if some of you have ideas, alright? Because that's really what I need right now, alright? I mean, see, the problem I faced was that... Oh, I have sunglasses. The problem I faced was that this... Well, if I put it on... As you can see, I think it looks pretty nice, alright? I think it looks nice. Again, Halo nerds, don't be mad at me. It was an ODST costume. But, the thing is, Master Chief has some pretty cool looking shoulder armor. And I was going to use these. I've used these for shoulder pads, and I've used these for knee pads. They're actually pretty cool. But the thing is, I can't put them on in this armor. I can't. It messes up everything. Like, I could, but then I can't shoot a gun. Like, I can't aim. I mean, this restricts my movement a little bit, but I'm comfortable with that. Alright? I realize that it will be restricted a little bit. But, how do I get the shoulder armor, to not coincide with this so that it completely fucks it up? How do I get that? I don't know how. And then, what would I make it out of? If I'm not using Pepakura, what would I do? See, that's where I'm at now. I've made many things, but they all take me forever, alright? I want this to be done. Honestly, I don't give a shit when it's done. I just want it to be done, alright? Because I've been working on this thing for a while, alright? This thing, honestly, it's probably one of the biggest things I've ever made. It's not the biggest thing I've ever made. In fact, I could show it to you, but I'm not. I could, but I'm not. I mean, unless you want to see a mechanical dinosaur costume, then, comment down below. Is this below? Yes, this is below. I know my directions. Alright. So, anyways, thank you for watching. If you have watched this far, I'm proud of you, because I wouldn't have done it. So, I don't know, what do people usually say at the end of the videos? They say, there's like a like button. If you like it, thank you. Thank you, alright? If you subscribe, holy shit, why'd you do that? But thank you too. Alright, and comment, alright? Because I really need help with this. Alright? Well, I mean, that's my first video. Goodbye.